Okay, well, we barely pulled in heading towards my river front camp ground I like to go to, and Andy's vehicle just doesn't quite have the clearance. But you know what? I just installed a new winch on my truck here, so it's a good time to test that out. So let's go ahead and do that. Alrighty, well, let's officially get this video started. We got to see some winching action out there, which was fun. Unfortunately, the battery died while we were doing that, but got Andy out. We just left his car at my house, and then took my vehicle out here. We're at the river again, but this time with the proper amount of snow for some hot tenting. We are also going to be testing out the new and improved Andy stove, patent pending. So yeah, hang tight. Andy's working on clearing out some snow for our campsites. He's being gracious and clearing my spot for me. But all right, hang tight. We're going to check out Andy's new stove here. Well, improved stove. And see how it fits in the tent a little better. Oh yeah. It looks way better size for this tent. Sweet. Well, that's exciting. We'll see how it works throughout the night.
That's right.
Okay, so normally, as per tradition, I use fat wood. I only have a little bit right now. I forgot to bring extra, apparently. So we're going to use paper towel and save the fat wood for when I wake up in the middle of the night and the fire's gone out and I'm freezing. Because obviously I want to get things going quickly then. But paper towel will work for right now. All right, so we're gonna have dinner here soon. I did want to mention we are also celebrating Murdoch's birthday. He is 5 years old. It was actually a couple days ago, but yeah, this is his birthday camping weekend. Got him a birthday present. I don't know if you guys saw it, but he's got some nice new shoes. Murdoch, he absolutely, yeah, adores them. Not really, but I think he's learning to enjoy them in the cold snow. Anyways, yeah, that way hopefully he won't pop my air pads anymore. Okay, on the menu we're gonna do some steak fajitas. Got the meat sliced up real thin. We're gonna just flash cook it. I'm gonna saute up some pepper and onions for that. And then we also have some Spanish rice. We're gonna mix a little corn in there. And oh, we also have a little bit of avocado pods from like the Holy Guacamole brand, but it's just avocado, so should be pretty good. Oh, you know what I forgot?
What? What'd you forget?
Cilantro lime ranch. It's really good with steak.
Yeah,
especially steak fajitas.
Oh,
well, it'll still be delicious either which way. So right now we're just getting the water boiling for the rice. Hey, what are you getting into down there? Don't touch you. I'll tell you what, this is nice. Every time. It's just, yeah, I know it's exhausting sometimes camping in the wintertime, but
it's fun though. The same.
Yeah. Cooking over the little stove. It's like, I don't know. Like you're a little kid and you're playing like Pioneers or something.
The way it used to be.
Yeah. Got the rice off. Got peppers and onions going. Just a little bit of salt and pepper for right now.
Who are you talking to?
Sometimes I don't even know. Breaking the fourth wall, man. Do you get that reference?
Nope.
A sizzle. Smells delicious. So hungry. And there's Murdoch getting in the way anytime there's food. Ooh, yeah, look at that. That looks delicious. Salt, pepper, cumin, chili powder, I think? Maybe cayenne powder. And some Cajun. There's what I had, so that's what we used.
That smells delicious. Oh, yeah.
Delicious. Only. Oh. Casualty. If only I got food like this at home, I probably wouldn't go camping as much. I'm just kidding. Tiffany takes good care of me, and if she hears this, she'll be horribly upset with me.
Fortunately, she doesn't watch your videos.
Yeah, I know, that is a good thing. Alright. Dinner is ready. Chef Andy has done a marvelous job cooking.
Oh yeah, extra onion.
Smells amazing. Do you want some avocado?
I do actually. Hard time to eat.
Bon appetit.
Hey, Murdoch, back it up. Dude, seriously, back it up. I can't see. Back it up. Murdoch! Alright, sit. 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 Like, I don't like sitting with my shoes on. Happy birthday. No, I'm just kidding. Go ahead, free. Free.
Alright, time to eat. We forgot about our rice. Look at that. That looks delicious. Alright, back to eating. Oh my goodness. Dinner was delicious. It was so good.
I ate way too much. So did Andy. I think he ate like 5 tacos. I ate close to about that. About like 4, I think. We're definitely cooking that up again, but we found that almost doing like just like a cheesesteak. Not even needing the rice. It was just delicious letting the steak, peppers and cheese and just that. Delicious. Anyways, Andy's in his tent. I was going to give Murdoch the leftover steak for his birthday. But before I got the chance to, he helped himself. So, anyways, we're winding down for the night. It's supposed to be pretty cold tonight, I think. A low of like 7 degrees. Just earlier this week, it was actually got down to like negative 11 or 7. I think Andy said his car said it was negative 17 in the morning when he went to work. But anyways, let's see. So yeah, it's been cold lately. It says tonight we're going to have a low of 6 degrees. So it's going to be a cold night. That's Fahrenheit. Okay. It says it's going to be 6 degrees tonight, but it also says that it's 6 degrees currently. Now, typically, you know, it's not even 11 o'clock at night. Typically, it gets colder as the night goes on. So, that might change. Might actually be colder than that. We've been, you know, averaging, like right now, it's about 70 degrees in here, which you can't beat that considering how cold it is out there. So, but, well, I'm gonna relax by the fire a little bit longer, and then I'm gonna get my bed ready and go to bed. Good morning. Well, it got cold last night. One of the times when I was loading the stove, checked the temperature on my phone. It said that it was about 1 degree in this area. Being down by the river, it's always a bit colder, actually. So, yeah, it was pretty chilly. The stove kept us warm, but it was definitely having to keep it ripping a little bit more so than normal. Like normally I can just, you know, have a slow burn, keep me warm. But anyways, we stayed warm throughout the night, despite how cold it was out there. So it was nice. But we'll get up here in just a little bit. I'm going to relax, enjoy this nice warm tent. Then we'll get up and see how Andy's stove performed. The wood that we had is not the best wood for burning in a stove because it definitely was generating a lot more creosote than normally. And so I actually had to remove my spark arrestor cap because it got clogged up and started smoking us out in here, which wasn't fun. So, and Andy's stove has like a built-in spark arrestor in the pipe, which can really get clogged and be a real pain in the butt. So I worry that he might have had that experience. That is one improvement we need to still change. I think if we could put the spark arrestor down at the bottom of the pipe instead of the top, it should be self-cleaning. The fire should burn away any creosote that builds up on it. That's how my Light Outdoors titanium stove is. It's got a spark arrestor right at the bottom of the pipe, and if it's up top it gets clogged up, but down at the bottom it self-cleans just from the heat from the fire. So anyways, yeah, we'll check back on Andy in a little bit. Alright, let's go see how Andy slept. He's packing up right now. Don't put a hole through your tent. Just dropped your hatchet. Alrighty. Andy, how did you sleep?
Excellent.
Excellent. Good, good. How's the stove perform for you?
Way better.
Good.
Yeah, kept burning all night.
Good,
Didn't
good.
smoke me out.
Didn't take up too much of your space.
Nope, not at all.
Flue worked well?
It did.
Yeah?
Yep.
Good. Now, I had issues with some creosote buildup. Did you?
I did not.
No. Now, I was thinking it was the wood we had, but now I'm thinking it was some of the 2x4s I had mixed into my wood. That'll do it. I think it turned out well.
Yeah.
Nice little stove. Let's take a look at it again. Oh, sorry. Don't kill me. That's how you do it, right? Yeah, like that. Huh. Fast improvement. Alright. Anyways, well, that's going to be it for this trip. As always, thanks for hanging out. Hope you had fun. And we will see you on the next one.
Like and subscribe. Like and subscribe. Like and subscribe. Like and subscribe. Like and subscribe.
I said like, and subscribe, Al's an idiot.
Like and subscribe. Like and subscribe. Like and subscribe.
Oh, wait, wasn't pointing at you.
Like and subscribe.
One more time.
Like and subscribe.
Nope, still didn't get it.
Okay. Like and then subscribe.